Here's a British classic. Nice looking 1967 MGB GT. This particular car powered by a 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood that is paired with a 4-speed manual with overdrive. Now, this particular car was with the previous owner for 33 years. Very well taken care of. Some nice upgrades done to it. We'll get into that in a little bit. First of all, tartan red paint with the red leather interior, black piping. Very era correct. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay, check out the interior, and you can look at what I'm going to talk about here shortly in the pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. First off, back to that paint. Nice shape. There's a few little real small spots. Maybe there's a rock chip and it's been touched up, but they are few and far in between. Has a nice luster to it. See the shine, the lights, reflection coming off of it. Bright work, also in very nice shape. Chrome on it, grille, headlight surrounds, all very nice. Now, mentioned underneath the hood, that 1.8 liter. This car also has AC. AC blows cold in it. As far as the engine, it was also rebuilt, balanced, lightweight flywheel added, ported heads, electronic ignition, all this done for added power. So it really woke this engine up. As you can see, it's riding on spoke wheels, Pirelli tires. Of course, a lot of the MGs you see are the convertibles. This will be a fixed roof coupe, hatchback. I should say hatchback over coupe, fixed roof with a hatchback to it. Now, back to some of the upgrades on this. This also has, as far as the suspension is concerned, Ron Hopkinson stage 1 and 2 upgrades have been done. The car handles very nice. I'd get in and drive it pretty much anywhere. Good running car. Now, as far as the interior goes, again, very stock interior, with the exception of those AC controls down there. Of course, the leather seats with the black piping I mentioned. It does have a small bench seat in the back that the backrest will fold forward on it for a little more storage in the rear compartment. You can check that out in the still pictures. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, the gentleman that owned this for 33 years just had it taken to a place in Nashville called JD's British Cars. Spent about $3,500 having the car gone through. Has new brakes, U-joints. When I say brakes, I mean calipers and pads. Rear axle bearings, wheel cylinders, some other miscellaneous stuff. There's receipts for that. Like I said, over $3,000, close to $3,500 in work. Again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Now you can see again the chrome and the paint and the bright work on the rear of this car. As nice as the front. You don't see a bunch of bubbling, cracking of filler, anything like that. This car appears to be solid. You can check it out in the underside pics also. Again, they'll be on our website. Now, let's go ahead and fire this up. Once you hear this run, we're going to check out the engine bay. All right. There is a choke. I'm running out just a little bit here. Don't think it's going to take a whole lot. There we go. Fire it right up. Run that choke back in. See the tack works. Odometer reads 25,812. I don't know if you can see that. Can't confirm or deny original miles due to the fact that the miles don't stay in the title once it becomes so old. Now, as far as things functioning, wipers work. Again, AC blows cold. Fuel gauge appears to work over here. Water temp will come up as the engine rises, and oil pressure. It appears that all the gauges are working. Listen how smooth this thing runs. Door closes nicely. Everything fits tight on this one. See, it's not smoking. Just purrs. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front of this. I want to pop this hood so you can see how nice and neat this engine bay is too. And again, looking very period correct. So hold on one sec, let me pop this hood and let's check out this engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop. Electric fan added up here for extra cooling capability. I mentioned AC. Compressor right there. Underneath the alternator. Look at how smooth that runs. And again, ported, balanced, lightweight flywheel. Everything's done to wake that up. It's a fun car to drive, cool car setup. What a cool British import. And again, some creature comforts with the AC. If you're looking for a fun car that's not going to break the bank, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. 1967 MGB GT. And it's a dandy. Give us a call.